Welcome to this video on integrating OpsRamp with the HPE Sustainability Insight Center. Before we begin the OpsRamp integration process in HPE GreenLake, let's go over the key prerequisites to ensure a smooth setup. Step 1. Subscription. First, make sure you have an active OpsRamp annual SaaS subscription. This is essential to proceed with the integration. Step 2. Role assignment. Next, verify that the correct roles are assigned to your user account. You will need both the OpsRamp access role and the Sustainability Insight Center administrator role. These roles grant full access to manage both OpsRamp and the Sustainability Insight Center features within the GreenLake workspace. Step 3. Deployment and provisioning. Once the roles are assigned, it's time to deploy and provision the services. Start by deploying the OpsRamp service in your GreenLake workspace. Then navigate to the service catalog and deploy the HPE Sustainability Insight Center. With these prerequisites in place, you are now ready to move forward with the OpsRamp integration. Let's get started. In this demo, we have already completed the onboarding process for both OpsRamp and Sustainability Insight Center, and the necessary user roles have been assigned, so we can move forward with the integration. Let's now move on to linking OpsRamp with the HPE Sustainability Insight Center, where you will begin seeing real-time energy consumption and emission data. Now let's launch the OpsRamp service. From the home page, navigate to the Recent Services section. After launching OpsRamp, you will land on the Partner My Dashboard Inventory Overview. From here, navigate to the Setup section and under Setup, click on Account. This is where you will configure account settings to ensure the smooth integration with the HPE Sustainability Insight Center. Now let's move to the integration section within OpsRamp. This section allows you to manage and configure all the services that integrate with your OpsRamp environment. To find the HPE Sustainability Insight Center plugin, you will need to use the search box located under the Available Integrations section. In the search box, type the HPE Insight Center. As you type, the list will filter and display the relevant integrations matching your search. Once the HPE Insight Center card appears in the search results, click on Add button. Accept I agree to the terms of services. This will initiate the process of integrating HPE Sustainability Insight Center with the OpsRamp service. Once the HPE Sustainability Insight Center plugin is successfully integrated, the status shows running. Now let's navigate back to the account details page in OpsRamp. Here you can verify the integration by checking three key details: the GreenLake workspace name with its workspace ID, the OpsRamp partner ID. These details confirm that the integration between the HPE Sustainability Insight Center and OpsRamp is successfully established. After verifying the integration, configure AWS and Azure access in OpsRamp to enable carbon emission tracking. Follow the official HPE guide configuring AWS and Azure resources to complete this setup and ensure accurate reporting of energy use and emissions for your public cloud environment. Now that we have completed the integration and verification steps, let's navigate back to the HPE GreenLake workspace to continue monitoring and managing your energy usage and sustainability metrics. To return to the workspace, simply click on the HPE GreenLake logo located at the top left of the screen. Now let's launch the Sustainability Insight Center service. To do this, go to the Recent Services section on the HPE GreenLake dashboard. In the Recent Services section, you will find Sustainability Insight Center listed. After the launch of the Sustainability Insight Center service, on the On-Premises tab, you can view charts that provide an aggregated view of carbon emissions, energy consumption, and energy cost across your IT estate tracked by OpsRamp service. This includes not only your HPE servers but also third-party devices from vendors like Dell and Cisco. The public cloud tab, on the other hand, displays a chart of AWS and Azure public cloud workloads, specifically showing carbon emission data related to your cloud services. Let's do a quick recap what we have covered so far. Deployed OpsRamp and Sustainability Insight Center services in GreenLake platform, assigned required user roles, linked both services via OpsRamp setup, launched Sustainability Insight Center from recent services, viewed energy and carbon emission data for on-prem, HPE, Dell, and Cisco hardware, and cloud AWS and Azure. Now you're all set to track sustainability across your hybrid IT. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video where we will dive deeper into using the Sustainability Insight Center dashboard and uncovering actionable insights to optimize your IT energy efficiency.